Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
That's not no boombox, I swear to God. Is that supposed to be a hot plate? Homeboys out here cosplaying as the Lorax. Don't get your ass one out of here. Nobody wants to see your Comic-Con setup. You got Ice King's whole dimension on one side of the table. I wonder who lives there. Drop the hot plate. If you don't get your Mr. Crocker looking ass up on out of here, did you kill the Lorax for that? I'm pretty sure you don't even have any lens in those glasses. Your boy needs to invest in a toothbrush ASAP.
Yo, Gabba Gabba.
Nobody asked to see your toy collection. Do you guys ever think about where these toys go to after every single episode when he puts that voodoo dust on them? Blink twice for help. Blink twice if you need help. Oh shit, I forgot. This one got COVID-19. And of course, DJ Lance's just forgot he got that COVID 2025.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
He's so unfriendly.
Did they just say he's so unfriendly? Well, no shit. It's COVID-19, bitch.
FIFA!
I could have swore they said FIFA. I swear to God, they said FIFA. If you don't get this big ass, bubblicious, buttercup, big ass, Miss Puff, built Pikmin up on out of here.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Did they just say she thick and happy? You don't get your la-la looking ass up out of here. Look like the thing from the Jetsons.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Hold up, you guys. Hold up. Is he a fucking tree? Is that what he is? Oh my gosh. And he got icicles on his damn head, and you know them bitches are sugar-free with his dumb ass. Not gonna lie, I didn't know Ice King had a fucking cat. Damn, you need to take your ass back to the amazing world of Gumball. You out here looking like the mom. Yo, and what's up with having no fucking feet? What are you guys made out of? Play-Doh? Nah, she likes to do drugs.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Nobody's out here wanting to come and play. Not with no DJ and no spirit-possessed toys.
Yo, Gabba Gabba.
Say yo Gabba Gabba one more time and I'm gonna break all your damn toys.
Yo, Gabba Gabba.
I'm done. Let's get this DJ arrested. And let's rescue these damn toys. Off my screen. Now.